Please subscribe to our channel. For latest updates, don't forget to press the bell icon.
Hello and welcome to Piping Official. In this video, we will learn about the knowledge required for piping design. Apart from having in-depth knowledge of piping design, one should have understanding of material cost, metallurgy, piping fabrication method, and related costs to be able to provide the most economical design. Piping design being central to detailed engineering effort, working knowledge of other disciplines like civil, mechanical, electrical, instrument, and process engineering is required to appreciate their problem requirement and to be able to seek the right information from them to proceed with their work of piping design. Pipes and pipeline are always subject to fluid pressure at varying temperatures. This results in expansion and contraction of the pipe inducing stress which get transferred to equipment like pump, compressor and other static equipment or rotating equipment resulting in breakdowns. A good knowledge of structural engineering is therefore necessary for analyzing and saving such problems. Needless to say that a thorough understanding knowledge of safety codes and practice is must for any involved in chemical process, plant design and engineering. Ability to use in three dimensions and infinite patience are the landmark of good piping engineer. To be able to visualize piping scheme in various alternatives and choose the most appropriate one is basic to good piping engineering practice. Piping engineering being a team effort, good communication skill, good interpersonal relationship, ability to work either as member or as a leader of the team. To be open to suggestion and application of new methods, materials and design, important qualities that enable one to deliver quality work. That's it for today guys. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.